Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the printhead of a HP Photosmart 5524. Now, printhead cleaning is what's referred to the cleaning cycles on this machine and is a great step in trying to pull through missing colours like those shown in our test page video for this printer. So we're going to use just the touchscreen and the buttons found on the front of the printer for this, so you don't need to have a PC or laptop connected. If you're not already on the home screen, just press the home button on the top left hand side, you can hopefully see. But we're going to go into the maintenance section of the printer, which is this spanner on the top right hand side of the screen. And now we go into tools, which is the second option down. Now if we press the down arrow, you can see clean printhead is the second option. Press into that. Now this will take your printer just a minute. You hear lots of whirring and clunking. And what it's doing is pushing fresh ink into the printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that might be there. And once the clean is complete, you'll be presented with a little test page like this. As you can see, my clean hasn't done anything to pull through that black, so I'm going to persevere and try and get this resolved for our customer. However, it's probably worth bearing in mind that on this series of printers, the black portion of the printhead does tend to be the first thing to go. With the age of the machine, that may just genuinely be an issue with it now, sadly. But hopefully you've had a more positive result than I, and are now up and running. If you found what you're looking for here, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.